So today we got some jerk chicken tacos that's grilled off with some blackened season. We got some pineapple and mango salsa to go with that. Some rice and cilantro to top it off. That's all she wrote. Alright, now I'm about to make the pineapple salsa with mangoes, onions, a little lime, and a little cilantro. I'm gonna cut the pineapple up first. Cut the head off right there like that. Save that for a garnish. Alright. Cut that bad boy up. Slices. Gotta make sure you don't get the little holes right there because they can get a little sharp. All the pores you see in the middle of the pineapple, they can get kind of sharp. So I just want to make sure you get all of that off when you're cutting it and slicing it up because they can get really sharp and you don't want that. I'm gonna go right down the middle. That's 2 slices. We're gonna come right down the middle again. We're gonna slice this up right here. Get the core out of it. You can also put this in your tea or a drink if you like a pina colada or any kind of special alcohol drink. It's good for flavoring, but it's not good for eating. We're gonna do the same thing for this one right here. Other hard part, do that to the side. So we're gonna slice it up like this. Boom, boom, boom. Cut it right down the middle. Knock it down. Just gonna slice it and dice it. Slice it and dice it. That's the key right there. Don't need too much. Throw that in the bowl. And nice stainless bowl. Shout out to Walmart. They look out for us. Cut our onion up. Once again, you want to make sure you have a really sharp knife, just so you don't cut your finger trying to hassle with the knife, because that can be a pain sometimes. Onions are kind of strong too, so if you're sensitive, you definitely want to make sure you have a sharp knife. Slice it like that. And we're gonna do just nothing too big. You don't want it to be. You want to make sure you're consistent with the knife cuts. Nothing too special. Everybody can do this. But we're just gonna go right down the middle. Just hold it right there so you don't cut your finger or nothing like that. And we're gonna slice down this side right here. Slice down the middle just like that. Come back down like that. You're gonna get rid of that. And you just come right down. The dice. You can put that one to the side. Add that to our special bowl right here. Lovely. Add that to that, like that. So now we got our pineapples, our onions. We got our onions in there. Next we're gonna add some mangoes in there, just to give it some sweetness. Special like that. And these mangoes are not so ripe, but I want to just kind of cut around the seed. That's all you gotta do. You can get rid of that, all the green, the non-goodness. So we do the same thing with this. We're just gonna dice it up. So we got a little bit of that. All right. Next, we got our cilantro, just to give it some color, honestly. Nothing really special. Just gonna chop that up. A little bit. And you can use parsley, you can use cilantro or oregano. Just a natural herb, just to give it some more flavor and color, basically. You know what I mean? But this goes very well with pineapples and mangoes and onions. So it's just a good addition to it, honestly. So we can chop that up. Doesn't have to be too fine, but just something to give it color. Some earthy flavor. And that's one good thing about food. You can be so colorful and creative with everything. So just keep chopping that up. Alright, so that's gonna add that to our salsa. Then last but not least, the lime. I'll cut a lime again. Just squeeze a little lime in there. We're gonna put some lime in the rice as well, so we can save the other half of that. You know what I mean? Squeeze a little lime in there, just to give it a little acidity. There's already enough acidity in the pineapple, so you don't want too much acidity. So that's why we just put like a little tablespoon of lime juice in there, so it's not too strong. You got your pineapples, your mangoes, your cilantro. So I got 3 chicken breasts in here. I just threw in the pan. We're basically gonna just throw some jerk sauce on there. Get that all tossed in together. Sauce. Get all that mixed in. There you go. Sauce in there. So basically, these sugars are caramelizing now. That's why you see all those bubbles coming from and stuff. It's like caramel on the bottom. But basically, it's the sugars that's in the sauce. Rice, basically. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it. So we're just gonna throw some of that in there. That's pretty much all you need right there. Alright, so that's done. Chicken up, dice it up a little bit. Side, take this piece. That. Basically, I'm just dicing it up, so you can do like, you can cut into strips or ribbons or whatever, however you want. Place it up like that. I like to take the tortillas and just throw them on here for like 2 seconds. Not that long. But you don't want to burn them. Literally 2 seconds. You don't want to burn the tortilla because it'll, you know what I mean? Just to give it a nice little mark. So, throw the tortilla down like that. Throw one of those down. Feel me? Throw another one down. Throw the rice at the bottom. Throw that at the bottom like that. Real simple dish. Just making it look pretty now, basically. And I'll take my chicken, throw the chicken right up in there. You can fill it up, you know, people like chicken squeaky. You ain't gotta be stingy like Chipotle. I like Chipotle, but you know, they a little stingy sometimes. But you feel me? That way, fill it up. And just take some of that salsa from we made earlier. Throw it right on top. You can fill this up too. This is really just like just a garnish, just to give it some color. And there you go. There you have it. Jerk chicken tacos.